Alright, here we go. 2006. These are not 2006 lights, you can tell. I bought these from another seller. The hookup is the same. Just looks a little bit better. Went one off on his truck. I got the rear stock lights on. I just reinstalled this. I don't know why this ain't working, but figure I'd make a video. Hey, how's these bananas, bro? Cherry. I picked them off my tree every day yesterday. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, these bananas, bro, they're unreal. Yeah. Anyway, this is about how bright your reverse light is. To remove your light, all you gotta do is remove this tin. And this, I don't know why they put this Allen to confuse us, I guess. Yeah, gotta be. And then they've got another one that looks identical to it that goes right here. That does nothing. I don't know. It holds this assembly in, I guess. It's very easy to come out once you get those screws out. There's a couple of barbs that hold it in. And then you can see what I mean by barbs. And then, yeah, the light went on now. You know why? I never plug them in, dumbbell. Okay, well, that's the problem. You know why I had this off and then I took it out. These are the two things that I was going to be holding it in on the outside. The rubber grommets. And then these are the little grommet buddies, the males and the females. Once they get together, they'll have a lot of fun. Okay, so I'll swap out these bulbs I got on eBay here. These are LED light bulbs. I've had nothing but great reviews from these bulbs. So let's go and see how they do their magic. Right off the bat, you can see just how bright these lights are. Wow, incredible. What I like to do is I like to hook it up and then put it in, and then installation is complete. The reason why are these LED lights are polarizing lights, so if you put them in the wrong way, it won't work. The older models, I don't know if well, anyway, that's the deal. I don't want to just babble. Aloha. And once you get it in, you should hear it pop. Everything should line up. This is the LED bulb. And this is the stock bulb. It even looks cleaner. You see how it's kind of yellowy and and this one is like, whoa. So I think I'm gonna try and order the thread signal bulbs. I'm quite pleased with the with this, bro. This is awesome. Today is Saturday over here, and it's gonna be a nice day, bro. It's gonna be awesome. Look at my minor birds right up there. See, that's the kind, bro. Minor birds. Usually when they hang out like that, just male and female. I'll put the other side. Here's a quick tip. If you ever need to look for nuts and bolts in a can, box, bottle, whatever, and you hate putting them all back into that can, box, bottle, whatever, you can just dump them on a big rag, and then you know it's going to go back in that box, bottle, or whatever, and then it'll go right back in there. You can have your rag laid out and see through all of your goodies that you never thought you'd need. And voila, you need them. Because I made my nuts and bolts that were rusty. cherry again with all of those nuts and bolts I have saved. And I found some pretty unusual nuts and bolts that I haven't really put away in a special nut and bolt place. These are a Dew's fastener. You younger guys don't know what the heck that is. These are Honda type bolts. I can clean them up, make them look exactly like this. Aloha. The grinder and spin wheel. Aloha. And when you're done, it should look like that. So nice white, brighter light. But I don't think I'll be able to find turn signal ones because these are amber. So that's gonna be a tough one. The brake one. This is my reverse sensor. I bought it on eBay as well. I buy everything on eBay, bro. What I did was I hooked up negative to the truck, positive went to the positive of the reverse light, giving me juice. Ran one wire all the way through underneath, make sure it doesn't bind. I got a push-pull. So when I come home late at night, I don't have to wake up my neighbors. So you just got one wire going here, you ground that, and that completes your circuit. If you have any questions, I've done this to all my trucks because we have a lot of zombies here in Hawaii, so I don't want to run them over. Aloha. Oh, look at that. Fasting and glucose is calling me. Aloha.